Amy and everyone who is associated with the Kutandara. My name is Daniel Renasio, the artistic director of the dance group, which is led by Summer. The dance group started in 2009. It's an only girls dance group which performs Zimbabwean traditional music and dance. We do our rehearsals only on Saturdays at Mbira Primary School. We thank Kutandara for supporting us, and we look forward to your continued support. I thank you.
Hello, Kutandara. My name is Miss Makumbe. I'm from Tariro. I just want to thank you for the support you've been giving to us. Thank you.
Hello, Kutandara. How are you? My name is McIntosh. I'm from Tariro. I would like to thank you for the support you've been giving us. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Summer Honzeri. I'm a beneficiary of Tariro Trust. Tariro Trust is a non-profit making organization that supports the orphaned and the less privileged girls living in the high-density suburbs of Harare by paying for their school fees, providing stationery as well as sanitary. I got into Tariro in 2016 when I was on the verge of dropping out of school. That's when Tariro stepped in. I later on joined the traditional music and dance ensemble. Now I can play marimba, dance and sing. My hope is for Tariro to get more donors and sponsors so that they'll keep on supporting more girls. By supporting Tariro Trust, thus giving girls like me a chance to have a better education we've always wished for. I aspire to be someone who is going to be instrumental and influential in the world of art, and I look forward to achieve that by teaching traditional music and dance to people across the country so that they will have a better understanding of where we are coming from, because it's not just about singing or dancing, but in whatever we do, be it singing or dancing, there's a deep message within it.
I'm part of my and I just want to thank everyone for the support you are giving us, and don't just support us, continue supporting us, and also help everyone else, because I myself beneficially am benefiting that to always keep myself intact and being a good girl. And also, if it wasn't for you, maybe I was lost somewhere in the localities, maybe stuck in drugs or maybe something bad. So continue helping us and also support us. That's all I want to say.
Hi Kutandara, my name is Angel Galashanga and I am a beneficiary of Tariro Trust. I would like to thank you for the support that you have given us over the years. Thank you.
Hello Kutandara, I go by the name Tariro and I am from Tariro Trust. I just want to thank you for the support you've been giving us.
Thank you.